communities surrounding Gaza, hundreds of dogs and cats have endured unspeakable trauma. And with their owners either lost, injured, or taken, these animals are left alone and neglected. The organization Living for a Life has come together to rescue as many of these animals as possible. We're sending them food, toys, leashes, hygiene products, and even medical care. But time is of the essence, and the longer these animals are left alone, the slimmer their chances are of survival. We refuse to stand idle. Together, we can offer these animals a second chance at life. So help us help them.